Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Friction, heat and heavy loads take a toll on your trailer truck's drive axles. That's why proper lubrication isn't just maintenance, it's protection. Without it, metal grinds against metal, wearing down components faster and risking costly breakdowns. The right grease reduces heat, prevents corrosion and keeps everything moving smoothly, no matter how many miles you log. Neglecting lubrication leads to more than just minor wear. Over time, it can cause bearing failure, seal damage, or even axle seizures that take your truck out of service. Regular checks and top-ups are small efforts that pay off in long-term reliability. If you're running a fleet or hauling heavy loads, this step can't be an afterthought. Let's break down why it matters and how to get it right. The role of drive axle lubrication in trailer trucks. Drive axle lubrication isn't just about keeping parts slippery. It's the silent protector of your truck's drivetrain, standing between smooth operation and costly breakdowns. Proper lubrication forms a protective barrier, reducing wear, managing heat, and keeping components moving efficiently. Ignore it, and you're inviting friction to slowly grind away critical parts. How lubrication prevents mechanical failures. Friction is the enemy of moving parts, especially in heavy-duty applications. Lubrication works by creating a thin film between metal surfaces, preventing direct contact. Without it, metal-on-metal grinding generates excessive heat, which leads to premature wear, warping, or even welding components together, a condition known as galling. Here's what happens when lubrication does its job. Friction reduction. The lubricant acts as a cushion, allowing gears and bearings to move freely without resistance. Heat dissipation. It absorbs and transfers heat away from high-friction areas, preventing thermal breakdown. Corrosion protection. Grease seals out moisture and contaminants, slowing rust and oxidation. Real-world failures from poor lubrication include seized bearings, pitted gear teeth, and cracked axle housings. These aren't just repairs, they're downtime waiting to happen. Common symptoms of inadequate lubrication. Catching lubrication issues early saves money and keeps your truck on the road. Watch for these warning signs. Unusual noises. Grinding, whining or clicking sounds from the axle area often mean metal parts are rubbing dry. Overheating components. Excessive heat radiating from the axle hub or differential suggests friction is running unchecked. Increased fuel consumption. Poor lubrication forces the engine to work harder, burning more fuel to maintain speed. Grease leaks or contamination. If seals fail or water mixes with grease, the lubricant loses its effectiveness. Ignoring these signs leads to bigger problems. A worn-out bearing might seem like a small issue until it locks up at highway speeds. Regularly checking and replenishing grease is far cheaper than replacing an entire axle assembly. Choosing the right lubricant for trailer truck drive axles. Picking the right lubricant for your drive axle isn't about grabbing the nearest grease tube. It's a balance between performance, durability, and the conditions your truck faces daily. The wrong choice can lead to faster wear, higher fuel costs, or even unexpected breakdowns. Here's how to make the smart choice, without overcomplicating it. Synthetic versus conventional lubricants. Synthetic and conventional lubricants each have advantages, but your decision depends on how you use your truck. Synthetic lubricants. Temperature resistance. Handles extreme heat and cold better, making them ideal for trucks in harsh climates. Longer lifespan. Breaks down slower than conventional grease, extending service intervals. Better load protection. Stays stable under heavy loads, reducing wear on gears and bearings. Conventional lubricants. Lower cost. More affordable up front, but may require more frequent replacements. Widely available. Easy to find at most truck stops or repair shops. Good for moderate conditions. Works well if your truck runs in consistent, mild environments. Synthetics like Mobil Delvac synthetic gear oil or Shell Spirax S6 often meet higher industry specs. Think API GL5 or SAE 75W90. Conventional oils like Chevron Maropa are solid for lighter duty or older trucks. How environmental conditions affect lubricant choice. Extreme weather, dust and moisture demand lubricants that won't quit when conditions get tough. Cold climates. Thick grease turns sluggish in freezing temps. Opt for low-viscosity synthetics like SAE 75W90 that flow easily at startup. Hot climates. High heat breaks down grease faster. Look for high-temperature synthetics with additives to prevent oxidation. Dusty or wet environments. Contaminants like dirt or water ruin grease fast. Choose lubricants with extra seal protection, NLGI grade 2 or higher, to block debris. If your truck hauls heavy loads in desert heat, a synthetic with extreme pressure additives, like Castrol Syntrax, keeps gears safe. For humid coastal routes, corrosion inhibitors matter more than ever. The bottom line. Match the grease to your truck's job, not just the price tag. Best practices for maintaining drive, axle lubrication. Keeping your trailer truck's drive axles properly lubricated doesn't have to be complicated, but it does need consistency. A well-lubricated axle reduces wear, prevents overheating, and keeps your truck on the road longer. Here's how to do it right, step by step. That's the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.